It's Doll Boy Show. Do Puppy, come on. You want to go to the pool? No. Oh, it's water, I see. But the pool won't be much fun. You will have? Because it's summer. Want Arden? But I love summer. Like, we get to go on our summer holiday. Come on, I show you how the pool will be wet. Come on, I show you. The pool won't be that wet. You will see. So look, Puppy. Go in the pool. It's water, but I like it at the wet though. See? Now you try. Oh, Puppy! Wait. I guess Puppy don't like getting along. I'm trying to teach him or anything, but he doesn't teach me. Puppy would learn if I teach him, but I don't know. Uh-oh. What are you doing? No. Please. Puppy, no. Puppy, what are you doing? No. Oh, you're just showing me how you can get wet if you spray me. Puppy, try. On. No. Puppy, you can't swim. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you. So, the way to get him is he really can't swim. Yeah, I got you. Oh my goodness, so wet. Let me give you a. Yeah. I'm sorry, Puppy. Let's just have a look. I'm sorry, Puppy. This is all my fault. I shouldn't tell you. Hold on, I'll be right back. I need to turn the water off. Now I turn it off. Just have a chat. So, Puppy, I'm sorry. All my fault. Yeah, I know, you're very soaked. But anyway, we're gonna dry you. That's not really much drier. So the evening would. Okay. Me too. I know. Next, you can't swim. Next, I'm gonna dive in.